Welcome to our geometric art tutorial. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of geometric art through the curve stitching method. Let's get started. To begin, let's locate the center of your canvas. This can be done by measuring and marking the midpoint using both the bottom and top edges. This marks the central point of your artwork. With a precise 0.05 mm technical pen, draw a 24 cm vertical line at the canvas's center. Think of it as the foundational structure for your masterpiece. Continuing with the same 0.05 mm pen, create a horizontal line of the same length, 24 cm, ensuring it's perfectly centered. This line forms the base of your artwork. Using a 0.5 mm technical pen, carefully mark every 5 mm along both the vertical and horizontal lines. These marks serve as reference points in your creative journey. Precision and patience are essential in creating beautiful geometric art. Here at Artis, we emphasize the importance of taking your time, ensuring each line is just right. It's not a race, it's a creative journey. Now comes the engaging part. Start drawing lines that connect the outer marks on the vertical line to the inner marks on the horizontal line. Precision is crucial for an exceptional design. Keep the momentum going by shifting one mark to the side and connecting them. Each line you add contributes to a beautiful, interconnected pattern. Maintain even spacing for a harmonious look. Here's where you can let your creative juices flow. Experiment with different line colors and thicknesses for a dynamic effect. Take your time throughout the process, ensuring precise measurements for the best results. And, when you're satisfied with your creation, share it with the world on social media. Don't forget to tag us for a chance to be featured.